This is the YouTube fast food reviewer. Today we review the Chorizo and Egg Cheese Burrito from Carl's Jr. This burrito features chorizo, scrambled eggs, shredded jack and cheddar cheeses, hash brown nuggets, and pico de gallo salsa, and wrapped up in a flour burrito. So you see here, we unwrapped the burrito. You can examine the contents. These are the potato rounds right there. More rounds right there. Then you can see the pico de gallo. That's tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. And then there's the chorizo sausage. You see it's all crumbly and red and brown like chorizo's is. And then you look, here's scrambled egg. It's all in a nice sheet right there. And then there's the cheeses. Whoo, that was pretty close. I almost didn't see the cheeses. You can see some of them. They must be on the bottom part here. You can see some of the cheese part there. Doesn't need to be a lot of cheese in here, but let's see how it tastes. Hold on. I'm gonna take the wrapper. I give the Chorizo and Egg Burrito Carl's Jr. Also, please tell my YouTube channel. Look back to this.